Okay, you guys, here's my other video. This video is about strings, and it's number 25 through 38. So let's go. When you are defining a string, you must start and end with a single or double quote, which happens when you need a literal quote inside of your string. In JavaScript, you can escape a quote from considering it as an end of string quote by placing a backslash in front of the quote. Const sample star. Alan said Peter is learning JavaScript. So I get it. It's needing to use quotations inside of the string. So to do that, you need those slashes. This signals to JavaScript that following the quote is not the end of the string, but should instead appear inside the string. So if you were to print this to the console, you would get Alan said Peter is learning JavaScript. Use backslash slashes to assign a string to my star variable so that if you were to print it to the console, you would see I am a double quoted string inside double quotes. Okay. Const. I am a slash double quoted I am a double quoted string inside double quotes. All right, string values in JavaScript may be written. Hold on, you guys. I have to clock in for my homework situation. Let's see. All right. String values in JavaScript may be written with single or double quotes as long as you start and end with the same type of quote. Unlike some other programming languages, single and double quotes work the same in JavaScript. Const, double quote, string. This is a string. Const, single string. This is also still a string. The reason why you might want to use one type of quote over the other is if you want to use both in a string. This might happen if you want to save a conversation in a string and have the conversation in quotes. Another use for it would be saving an A tag with various attributes in quotes, all within a string. Const, conversation. Finn exclaims to Jake. However, this becomes a problem if you need to use the outermost quotes within it. Remember, a string has the same kind of quote at the beginning and end, but if you have the same quote somewhere in the middle, the string will stop early and throw an error. Const, good star. Jake asked Finn, hey, Let's go on an adventure. In response, let's go. Oh, that's a good string. Hmm. That's a bad string here. Here, bad string will throw an error. In the good string above, you can use both quotes safely by using the backslash as an escape character. The backslash should not be confused with the forward slash. They do not do the same thing. Change the provided string to a string with single quotes at the beginning and end to and no escape characters. Right now, the A tag in the string uses double quotes everywhere. You will need to change the outer quotes to single quotes so you can remove the escape characters. Okay, let's get eyes on this. Hmm. I deserve an award for that. My goodness. Quotes are not the only characters that can be escaped inside a string. There are two reasons to use escaping characters: to allow you to use characters you may not otherwise be able to type out, such as a new line; to allow you to represent multiple quotes in a string without JavaScript misinterpreting what you mean. We learned this in a previous challenge. Single quotes, double quote, backslash, new line, tab, return, word boundary, form feed. Now that the backlash itself must be escaped in order to display a backlash, assign the following 3 lines of text into the single variable my string using escape sequences. First line, second line, third line. You will need to use escape sequences to insert special characters correctly. You will also need to follow the spacing as it looks above. No spaces between escape sequences or words. The indentation for second line is achieved with the tab escape character, no spaces. I'm getting confused, y'all. All that reading, I was zoning out. Like, I don't know what it was saying. Let's see down here. It says, my string should not contain any spaces. My string should contain the string's first line, second line, third line. Oh my goodness, this is too much. All right, I'm putting first line. Second line. Third line. New line character. First line should be followed by the new line character. Ah. Second line. My star should contain a tab character, which follows a new line character. New line character. I mean, let's see what we got here. My star should not contain any spaces. To contain the string's first line, second line, third line. Remember case sensitive. The second line should be preceded with by the backslash character. Okay. There should be a new line character between second line and third line. Mm. Okay. First line, new line, just like it is right here. So then you do like a tab. It's going to be this. Then it's going to be a slash. Second line, new line. I think I got it, right? Is this it? Let's see. Hmm. I had third spelled wrong, y'all. Hmm. Okay, you guys almost got it. Oof, thank you, Jesus. This is what it was, y'all. I had this not capitalized. Goodness, you really gotta watch out. All right, so this wants us to build my string from the strings. This is the start. Plus, this is the end. I mean, come on, that was easy. Guess not. Hmm. Mine doesn't look like the thing here. Let me fix some things. Oh, it's supposed to be that way. Hmm. Hmm.